Hey, it's Sam with Conde Systems. I would like to show you some products that you can sell on Etsy that have high demand and low competition. Today's product is license plates frames, custom license plates, front license plate. These are popular on Etsy and need to be replaced ever so often, so they have a good sell-through rate. I used our handy dandy eRank tool to check and see if this is something that I would like to sell. Put in license plate frame, come down, we're in the orange for license plate frames. But if we continue to look, we see that custom license plate frames has a green competition, cute license plate frame, personalized license plate frame, black license plate frame, crystal license plate frame, flowers, bling. Here's a good one, metal license plate frame. Again, I would take my time, write down all of these that are green, that have low competition. And then I like to go to Etsy and see, maybe get some design inspiration. Here on Etsy, I put in license plate frame. This top one here, it looks like it may be a combination. They have the frame and then the front bumper one. I like the bundle there. Here is another frame that just has some flowers. But yeah, so come through here, see what works for you. Well, and you know, you can make different listings. Do a couple listings that are maybe just the frame, just the license plate, a bundle that have this design, that design. And look at this one, super cute. It has the frame, the front bumper, as well as some car coasters. So, you know, the possibilities are endless. They're ranking on page 1. Good job. We at Conde have a whole bunch of different license plates. This first one here is a mini license plate. Here are some frames. Then one of my favorite is this metal license plate that has the insert. Conde Systems has a whole bunch of frames as well as regular license plate. Give me a call. My name is Sam. My extension is 211, and I would love to help you with your Etsy store.